Hi, Olivia. Thank you for posting your persuasive speech. I really appreciated it, and I thought you did an excellent job. You certainly related it to yourself, and it was obviously meaningful to you. You really helped, though, show that this would be a beneficial thing for everyone. And there were studies to back that up, showing the different parts of the brain that light up. That was interesting. I really did like hearing about that. And so obviously you did a great job, adding in statistics and facts into your speech. Um, I think that overall it was uh, really excellent. You seemed a little tense and nervous, which is totally understandable, but you looked very professional, and I really enjoyed the quotes, and I really liked how you started and ended with a quote. Um, that was a clever way to incorporate it and like tie that back in. So thanks for the speech. I appreciated it, and um, I can't. Yeah, I thought it was great. So thanks again.